Hello everyone, I'm Debbie. Welcome to Page Banti Menjai Rise. Today we're going to learn lesson 12 about Jacob and Esau. In this video we can learn 4 words together. So the first word is house. House. House can spell H-O-U-S-E. House. Example, I have a big house. I have a big house. Second is school. School. School can spell S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Example, we are going to school every morning. We are going to school every morning. Third is office. Office. Office can spell O-F-F-I-C-E. Office. Example, our office is very nice. Our office is very nice. The last is park. Park can spell P-A-R-K. Park. Example, the children like to play at the park. The children like to play at the park. Please repeat after me. House. House. School. School. Office. Office. Park. Park. Good job. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make a sentence by using the 4 words that we learned and leave it in a comment so that we will have check. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up. If not, we will have correct. If you want to watch full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link down below. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.